Hi students, let us start now chapter number 12, discrete mathematics. Okay, now I directly start exercise 12.2, question number 6. Construct the truth table. Construct the truth table. That is called negation sign. Negation P and negation Q. Okay, this is negation, this is and, this is R. This is if and only if. Okay, so P values here, Q values here. P means true, true, false, false. Q means true, false, true, false. That is a rule. Okay. P means true, true, false, false. Q means true, false, true, false. Negation P. What is meant by negation? Negation means opposite of P value. I mean, suppose T is here, means T opposite. I mean, true opposite, false. Okay. So negation P, second value, true. True opposite, false. Negation value, third value, false. False opposite, true. Negation fourth value, I mean P value, negation P fourth value, F is here. So F means false. False opposite value, true. So that is called negation of P. Okay. See, true means false, true means false, false means true, false means true. After negation Q, Q value is here in opposite value. Q, true opposite, false, false opposite, true. True opposite, false, false opposite, true. Now negation P and negation Q. Now and value of negation P and negation Q. Okay, so negation P and negation Q values here. So now and the values. So false, 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 true, false, true, false, false, true, true, only true. Okay, true, true, only true. Otherwise fully false. False, 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 true, false, true, false, false, true, true, only true. That is the final result of subdivision 1. Okay. Now subdivision 2, negation of P and negation Q. Okay. Negation of P and negation Q. What is meant by P value? True, true, false, false. What is meant by Q value? True, false, true, false. After we want to prove negation Q. Okay, that is called negation. We want to prove that negation Q. After we want to prove that P and negation Q. After we want to prove the negation of P and negation Q value. Okay. So negation of Q means opposite value. True means false. False means true. True means false. False means true. After P and negation Q. Okay. P value is here. Negation Q value is here. Now making the and condition of both value. I mean true and false is here. So true, false, false. True, true, only true. False, 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 true, false. Already told in and condition, true, true, only true. Otherwise, fully false. Okay. So true, false, false, true, true, only true. False, 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 true, false. After negation of P and negation Q. Okay. So that is P and negation Q. Now taking the negation of P and negation Q. So F negation value, I mean opposite value true. I mean true opposite value false, false opposite value true, false opposite value true. So that is the final result. Okay. Third subdivision, your homework sum. So try your one. The fourth subdivision. What is the question? Negation P gives R. Negation P gives R and P if and only if Q. That is called if and only if. Okay. So P if and only if Q. So now P, Q, R, three variables is here. So three variables means you don't take true, true, false, false only. You take 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 true, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 false. That is called a P value. Okay. Q means true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. R means true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. The three columns are very, very important. Very, very important. In every sum, P, Q, R value given means you take P value as it is, Q value as it is, R value as it is. After negation P means in P opposite value, true means false, true means false, true means false, true means false. Now false, false, false is here. Now both condition opposite value, true, true, true value. Okay. After negation P gives R. Negation P is here, gives R is here. I mean R value is here. R value is here. Okay. Now negation P and Q R is here. So false, true, false. false, false, true. Okay, false, true, false, false, false also true, false, true also true, false, false also true, true, true also true, true and false only false, true and false only false. Okay, after true, 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 after true, false only false. Now see the difference. I mean, this one is different, this one is another one is different, because true and false false, true and false false, otherwise false false, true false, all are the true value. Okay, now P if and only if Q, P if and only if Q. So P value is here, if and only if Q is here. So true, true, true only, true, 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 false, false. If and only means you take true, false, false, true, false, false, after false, true also false, false, true, false, true also false, after false, false, true, false, false, true. Okay, now the final condition, negation P gives R and P if and only if Q. Now making the AND condition, okay, so negation P gives R is here, P if and only if here. So true and true, true only, true and true, true, true and false, false, true and false, false, true and false, false, false and false also false, true and true only true. So false and true means false. Okay, now it is the final result of subdivision 4. Thank you, students. Question number 7. Verify whether the following compound proportions are tautologies or contradictions or contingency. Okay, subdivision 1, P and Q and negation of P or Q. So P, Q value only here. So P means already I told true, true, false, false. Q means true, false, true, false. P and Q. What is the first condition? P and Q. Now find out the AND value. I mean true and true, true only. True, false, false. False, true, false. False, false also false. Okay. After now finding the P or Q. Now making the OR condition. P value true, 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 false, true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, only false. Okay. In OR condition, false and false only false. Otherwise fully true. Okay. After negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q means T opposite F, T opposite F, T opposite F, F opposite T. After P and Q and negation of P or Q. P and Q is here, negation of P or Q is here. Okay. Now true and false, false, false and false, false, false and false, false, false and true, false. Okay. The full conditions are false. I mean last column fully false. So it is a contradiction. Fully false means it is a contradiction. Fully true means it is a tautology. Okay. Suppose fully true and false mingled means it is a contingency. What is the difference of contingency, contradiction and tautologies? Fully false means contradiction. Fully T means tautology. Fully F and T, I mean false and true means it is a contingency. Okay. Now subdivision 2, P or Q and negation P gives Q. Okay, so P value is here, Q value is here. P or Q means true, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, false, only false. Okay, negation of P means opposite value, true, opposite, false, true, opposite, false, false, opposite, true, false, opposite, true. Now making P or Q and negation P. So true, false, false, true, false, false, true, true, only true. F false and true, false. Okay. After P or Q and negation P gives Q. Gives Q. Okay. Okay. P or Q negation P or Q and negation P gives Q is here. Okay. So P or Q and negation Q value is here. So gives Q means true, 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 true only. So the fully conditions are T. So P or Q and negation P gives Q is a tautology because full of T is here. So full of T means it is a tautology. Sorry, in this place negation P is here. Negation P is here, not negation Q. Negation P is here. So T is a final answer of a tautology. Thank you, students. So same question number 7, subdivision 3. P gives Q if and only if negation P gives Q. So P value is here and Q value is here. P means true, true, false, false. Q means true, false, true, false. P gives Q means, so true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true. Okay. After negation P, P opposite. True means false, true means false, false means true, false means true. After negation P gives Q. Negation P is here, gives Q is here. Okay. So false to true, true, false to false, false. After true to true, true. After true to false, false. Okay. After P gives Q, if and only if negation P gives negation Q is here. Okay. So if and only if means true, 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 false, true, false, true, 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 false also false. So it is neither tautology because true, false is here. So neither tautology and not a contradiction. So P gives Q if and only if negation P gives Q is a contingency because true value, true false value is here. So both are mingled. So it is called a contingency. Subdivision 4 your homework sum. Thank you students. Question number 8. Show that negation of P intersection Q contradiction negation P or negation Q. So P value, Q value is here. After we want to prove that P and Q. So P and Q means true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 also false. Okay. Negation of P intersection Q means taking opposite value. True means false, false means true, false means true, false means true. After negation P. So true, true means false, 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 false means true, true. After negation Q value is here. After negation P or negation Q. Now making the R value. False, 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 true, 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 false, true, 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 true. Already I told in R sign, false and false only false. Otherwise fully true. So column number 4 and column number 7 are identical. I mean both are equal. False, false, true, 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 true. Okay. So negation of P and Q identical. Negation P or negation Q is a final answer. Subdivision 2 your homework sum. So try your 1. Thank you students. Okay student, now question number 9. Prove that Q gives P identical negation P gives negation Q. Okay. It is called negation. Okay. Now P value as it is true, true, false, false. Q value also as it is true, false, true, false. Q gives P means true, 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 false, true, 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 false, only false. After false, false means true. Negation P means P opposite value. True means false, true means false, false means true, false means true. After negation Q means true means false, false means true, true means false, false means true. After negation P and negation Q values here, taking gives. Okay, negation P, negation Q values here. So false, false, true, false and true, 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 false only true, true, false only true, true, true also here, true. So column 3 and column 6. Column 3 and column 6 are identical because both are same. Both are same means Q gives P, identical negation P gives negation Q. It is a final answer. Okay. Thank you students. Now question number 10. Show that P gives Q and Q gives P are not equivalent. Are not equal means, so in condition P gives Q and Q gives P not equal. I mean column number 3 and column number 4 are not equal. Now solution. P value as it is true, true, false, false. Q value as it is true, false, true, false. So P gives Q means true, 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 false, only false, false, true, true, false, false, also true. Okay. Q gives P means true, 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 false and true, false, true and false. Okay. False and true, false, true and false, 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 false also true. So P gives Q means true, false, true, true. Q gives P means true, true, false, true. So the both columns are different. I mean column number 3 and column number 4 are not identical. Not identical means it is different. Not equal means not identical. Okay. Thank you students. Show that negation of P if and only if Q identical. P if and only if negation Q. Okay. So P value as it is true, true, false, false. Q value true, false, true, false. P if and only if Q means, okay, P if and only if Q means true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 true. Okay, after negation of P and Q. Negation of P if and only if Q. So P if and only Q is here. Negation value means true means false. After second one, false means true, false means true, true means false. After negation Q. Negation Q means Q opposite. True means false, false means true, true means false, false means true. After P if and only if negation Q. P if and only if negation Q. P, where is P? P if and only if negation Q is here. Okay. So P value is here. If and only if negation Q value is here. So true, false, false, true, 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 false, false, true, false and true, false, false and true, false. So column 4 and 6 are identical. Column 4 and 6 are identical. So negation of P if and only if Q identical. Negation of P of if and only if negation Q. It is a final answer. Okay. Thank you, students.